Hello, beautiful family, from the waters, out of the light, the beautiful sun. Let's drink some water together, some restructured water to restructure, to assist us in our restructuring process, in our return to origin, which is the flow state. Our origin is our soul. And I haven't come to you for a few days from the beach. Wow, see how powerful this light is. He is activating the transmission that is coming through to you. And blessings from the sacred waters that surround us. I am filled with them. It is absolutely necessary for those of us who are ascending, which means bringing our soul into our body, really becoming the highest version of ourselves, to interact with the sun and to interact with the water. And how do you think the water in our body actually looks like? Does it look like tap water, ocean water, water from a creek? Have you ever thought about that? Some concepts we've been taught very wrongly. We've also been taught wrongly what to eat and what to drink and so on. So anyway, I'm just sharing a little activation from here, out of the light. And it's very, very bright. I'm coming to you from under this beautiful native tree. It's a bottle brush. Look at all these beautiful brushes with the honey eaters. Some are already flowering. Some, everyone looks different. Some are dry. This is like us humans. Everybody is at a different level and stage. And the beautiful crows coming through, the beautiful communication, surrounded by them. And have a look at this beautiful sheet of water, liquid light, what our body is shifting into. At one with nature, being at one with nature. It's like an ambulance, helicopter. So, our precious life, our precious health. Without health we have nothing. And I've just been in the portal of transition with beautiful Love Heart. Celebrated her body last night and her life, as I shared with you. And this morning the alchemization went further, and I offered her body to the snake. She comes out every morning to have a sun bath, otherwise she's hibernating. And she took her body, and it felt like a completion. She ended up lying in a circle, in a closed loop, with her head at her tail. And a very powerful process. So I'm integrating all that and just being with nature and listening and watching. for her guidance, her messages, and yeah, always following where I have to be, what I have to do. And I'm feeling a lot of pressure in my body as well. The headache, I feel I'm picking up on earth changes, and yeah, I'm deeply restructuring. And yeah, it's been wonderful moving in the water and receiving the codes from today. Not having been here for, I think, 2 days or 3, I am really understanding what I'm doing here. When I go to the beach to receive the codes from the day, to help my body shift and to exchange energy also with the water and with the portals that are here. And yeah, I'm in a deep restructuring process, the rebirthing through water. I'm not making this up. I am, but I'm not. I'm sharing how this really goes. And as a way shower, I'm going first. And I'm sharing with you and inviting you in. Yeah. And as I'm sharing here always, I am transmitting, I am activating. So there is a frequency coming from me to you that goes also beyond my words. I'm just being the embodiment, my soul embodied, the new earth transmissions coming right to you, raw and real and live. And yeah, there's powerful winds and the birds are flying very high. If you can't see them through the camera, just perceive their energy and hear their sounds. The air is filled with birds. Powerful sound. Yeah. The return of the bear tribes. So we go deeper into unity in community. I had a powerful sitting with the kangaroos this morning, and yeah, sending you deep grounding frequencies here from these portals, from the earth, from the oneness with nature, the oneness of our divinity and our matter. Activating deeper, going deeper in. Yeah. And I see you again later. Much love and blessings.